organelles for movement. We're going to be looking at organelles for movement. In terms of organelles for movement, mostly as it is found in single-celled or unicellular organisms, we have close to two organelles for movement. The first one is called flagellum. Flagellum, singular form. Plural form, it is called flagella. Now, the flagellum is a long whip-like structure on the surface of a cell. Now, you see that mostly in cells. As you can see here, in euglena, this is a whip-like structure. You can also see the same whip-like structure in chlamydomonas. You can also see the same whip-like structure in trypanosome and plasmodium. You can also see the same whip-like structure in the sperm cells, which is spermatozoa. It has a flagellum. Now, there are several organisms or several cells that have this flagellum. Now, the flagellum is mostly needed for locomotion. Mostly for locomotion. So one of the major purposes for flagellum is, or function of the flagellum rather, is for locomotion. Number two is the cilia. Cilia. As we can see, a cilia is a short hair-like structure on the surface of a cell. Now you can see this short hair-like structures found around this organism, which is called paramecium. This is a paramecium. You can see small or short hair-like structures lining round the surface of paramecium. Now, they are numerous in number and closely packed together. Like I said, cilia can be found in paramecium. Now, in terms of cilia, cilia carries out dual function. It can be used for dual function. One, cilia can be used for movement. Yes, it can be used for movement. Another function of the cilia is for feeding. Please take note. The paramecium makes use of cilia for feeding. In our subsequent classes, we're going to be discussing nutrition, and then we're going to be looking at feeding in paramecium. We're going to explain much more better on how the cilia is being used by paramecium for feeding. But please, for this class, take note of this, that paramecium can be used for locomotion or movement. It can also be used for